Hello guys, my name is Bhushan Vittal More. I am from Zila Education Society in Narek from third year mechanical department. Me and my team has done PBL activity on water heater under the guidance of the Gadve sir. Electrical appliances. Electrical immersion heater. An immersion heater has an electrical resistance heating element encased in a tube and directly placed in the water to be heated. Electrical appliances. Electrical immersion heater. An immersion heater has an electrical resistance heating element encased in a tube and directly placed in the water to be heated.
Working principle. It works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. According to the Joule's law, heat is equal to I square into RT joules. Immersion water heater has a highest efficiency than auto motor, steam turbine, electric motor, etc. Specification. Type of supply: single phase AC supply, voltage 230 volt, frequency 50 Hz, power 1000 watt, resistance 52.9 ohm, heating element nichrome, alloys of nickel, chromium and iron together. Why nichrome is used as a heating element? Nichrome is the most preferable heating element because of high resistance based on dimension, high melting point, no oxidation, losing electrons, low temperature coefficient of resistance. Resistance value is lower when heat is higher. Construction. Power supply chart. It is a VIR wire connected with a 3-pin plug for safety. Terminal housing. Connection terminal for supply. Copper metallic tube. It is a hollow tube and made of copper. Heating element. It is made of nichrome and it is placed centrally in this copper tube. Insulating powder. The gap between the heating element and copper tube filled with the MgO. Good insulator and good thermal conductor. Minimum water level indicated strip. Water level should up to this limit. Sectional view of copper tube. The gap between the heating element and copper tube is filled with the MgO. It is a good insulator and good thermal conductor. If heater is using without water and due to the contraction and expansion, MgO is weakened. Working. When AC power supply is applied through the 3-pin plug with proper earthing, then electric current flowing through the nichrome heating element. Nichrome material has a high resistivity. Heated up by the Joule's law, MgO is placed in hollow metallic tube, which is a good thermal conductor and insulating material. MgO containing tube absorb the heat and it helps to transfer the heat to the water. Precaution. Do not use a heater continuously for the longer period of time. Do not use a heater without liquid. Use a proper capacity power supply chart. Do not use wet hands for making a switch on or off. Use a proper earthing power plug and socket.
Thank you.